Hello students, I am Sandhya Kathuria, your physics teacher. We were doing lesson number 2, physical quantities and measurement. In my last video, I told you about density of a substance. The density of a substance is defined as its mass per unit volume, and the SI unit of density is taken as kilogram per cubic meter. In this video, I will tell you about relative density. The relative density of a substance is defined as the ratio of the density of the substance to the density of water. That means if we compare the density of the substance with that of water, we will get the relative density. And relative density is represented by the symbol RD. Thus RD equals to density of the substance upon density of water. If the volume is taken as 1 centimeter cube, so D becomes M upon 1. That means density equals to mass of the substance. And mass, how much mass? We have taken mass of 1 centimeter cube of the substance. Thus density of a substance is the mass of 1 centimeter cube of it. Therefore, in this formula, if we substitute mass of centimeter cube of the substance in place of density, we will get RD equals to mass of 1 centimeter cube of the substance to the mass of 1 centimeter cube of water. Therefore, if we multiply both numerator and denominator by V volume, so it becomes mass of V centimeter cube of the substance upon mass of V centimeter cube of water. In general, RD is taken as mass of any volume of the substance upon mass of the same volume of water. If we are taking, suppose, X centimeter cube of the substance, so the water we will also take as X centimeter cube of it, and we will compare their masses and then we will get the RD of the substance. For example, RD of iron is 7.8. If I substitute 7.8 in this formula, I will get 7.8 equals to mass of any volume of iron piece upon mass of equal volume of water. If I cross multiply, so this goes above. So a piece of iron of any volume has mass 7.8 times an equal volume of water. And the unit of RD, since RD is the ratio of similar quantities, therefore RD has no unit. Now I will tell you the measurement of relative density of a liquid. The relative density of a liquid is measured by using a density bottle. See children, this is the diagram of a density bottle. It is a specially designed bottle which is used to determine the density of a liquid. It is a small glass bottle having a glass stopper at its neck. The bottle can store a fixed volume of a liquid. Generally, the volume of the bottle is 25 ml or 50 ml, which is written on it. The stopper has a narrow hole through it. When the bottle is filled with the liquid and the stopper is inserted, the excess liquid rises through the hole and drains out. Thus, the bottle always contains the same volume of liquid each time when it is filled. So this bottle contains 50 ml of liquid when it is filled up to the mark. Now some very important points I want to tell you related to the RD of a substance. Since the density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube, the density of water is taken as a standard quantity which is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius, and it is equal to 1 gram per centimeter cube or 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So the mass in gram of water needed to fill the bottle completely will give the volume in ml of the bottle. Okay children, the whole mass of the water which is needed to fill it, that will give us the volume of the bottle if the volume is unknown. Next point, since the density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube, as I already told you, so density of a substance in gram per centimeter cube equals to relative density of the substance. And since density of water is 1000 kilogram per meter cube, so density of a substance in kilogram per meter cube equals to 1000 multiplied by relative density of the substance. This you will understand by looking at this table. Suppose the substance is cork and the density of cork in gram per centimeter cube is 0.25. Therefore, the RD will also be the same. RD of cork will also be 0.25. RD is always equal to the density of the substance in gram per centimeter cube. But if we have to calculate the RD of a substance whose density is in kilogram per meter cube, then we will multiply it by 1000. Okay, 0.25 multiplied by 1000 will give you the density of the substance in kilogram per cubic meter. Similarly, if we take the example of ice, the density of ice in gram per centimeter cube is 0.92. So its RD will also be 0.92. And if you multiply 0.92 by 1000, you will get 920, which will give the density in kilogram per meter cube. So the density of ice is 920 kilogram per meter cube. Now talking about milk, the density in gram per centimeter cube is 1.03. Therefore, the RD of milk will be 1.03 and the density of the milk in kilogram per meter cube will be 1030 kilogram per meter cube. Now children, the next topic I will take from your textbook, which is given on page number 25. The measurement of relative density of a liquid. The relative density of a liquid is measured by using a density bottle, which I showed you just now. This can be understood by the following activity. Step number 1. Take an empty dry density bottle and find its mass m1 gram by using a beam balance. You will weigh it, you will find the mass of it. Suppose it is m1 gram. Now fill the bottle completely with water and insert the stopper. The extra water will overflow through the hole in the stopper and dry out the outer surface with the blotting paper, and then measure the mass of the bottle again on the beam balance. Suppose the mass is now m2 gram. The mass of empty bottle was m1 gram and the mass of bottle plus water is m2 gram. Now again empty the bottle and dry it. Now you have to fill the bottle completely with the given liquid whose RD you have to find and insert the stopper again. The extra liquid will flow through the hole in the stopper. Dry it and measure the mass of the bottle again. Children, drying the bottle is necessary so that it will not alter the mass of the original substance filled in the water. Suppose now the mass is m3 gram. So the observations are noted as follows. Mass of empty bottle is m1 gram. Mass of bottle plus water is given m2 gram. Mass of bottle plus liquid is given by m3 gram. So how will you obtain the mass of water? If you subtract m1 from m2, the mass of water becomes m2 minus m1 gram. And similarly, the mass of liquid becomes m3 minus m1 gram, where m1 is the mass of empty water. Thus, the relative density of the liquid is given by mass of the liquid upon mass of equal volume of water. This becomes M3 minus M1 upon M2 minus M1. Gram cancels. For example, M1 is 25 grams, M2 is 55 grams and M3 is 49 grams. That means mass of empty bottle is 25 grams. Mass of bottle plus water is 55 grams. And mass of bottle plus liquid is 49 grams. So the RD of the liquid is given by mass of the liquid, which is given by 49 minus 25 upon mass of equal volume of water, which is 55 minus 25 gram. So this becomes 24 upon 30 equals to 0.8. Thus the RD of the liquid is given as 0.8 with no unit. Okay children, that's all for today, but I request you to revise everything and start doing the exercises given at the back of the chapter.